topics we have seen power of each variable, positive or zero variable, where that is whole number is called as polynomial based on terms. Highest power is called as degree of the polynomial. Degree more than one variable. So we have seen some activities, types of polynomials based on degree. And yesterday also we have also seen how to convert it into standard form. We have to arrange them in descending order, hours. Okay, this is called the standard form of the polynomial, and the missing terms should be added along with zero. Is called as index form of the variable polynomial, and all the coefficients should be written in the comma, written in the bracket, round bracket, separated by comma. Is called the coefficient form of the polynomial. These are some terms we have studied yesterday. Today, and also we have solved practice set 3.1 and some solved examples of page number 36, 37, 38 and 39 also, and from on page number 39 this activities we have done. Practice set 3.1, state whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomial or not. Write the coefficients of m cube in each of the given polynomial. Write the polynomial in x using given formula. These also we have seen. Write the degree of the given polynomial. Classify the following polynomial as linear, quadratic and cubic. This we have seen so many times. Write the following polynomials in standard form. Write the polynomial in standard form, coefficient form, then in index form. And this activity also we have done yesterday. As I told you yesterday that today's lecture will start with operations on polynomial. So basically we do 4 operations. Those are addition, subtraction, multiplication and then division. Okay. So we will start with the addition. We will see some solved examples of page number 40, 41. At 3.2, which is on page number 40. Okay. So let's start with page number 40. Coefficients are added or subtracted while adding or subtracting like algebraic terms. Therefore, for example, 5m cube minus 7m cube. If you have to subtract this and you have to find out the common coefficient and common variables, you have to make the common variables one side and take 5 minus 7 in round bracket, then you will get minus 2 m cube. This you can see, this is quite easy method. While multiplying or dividing two algebraic terms, you multiply or divide their coefficients. We also use laws of indices. Laws of indices, when you multiply two coefficients, two variables and their indices are added. Okay. So here you can see minus 4y cube multiplied by 2y square into z equal to y cube into y square will become y raised to 5 z. This also you have studied in 7th and 8th standard. And 12a square, 12a square can be written as 12a into a into b divided by 3. ab square can be written as 3a into b into b. So it can be written as we can reduce 3 multiply 3 4s are 12. A can be reduced and b 1b and 1b can be reduced. So here in numerator and denominator, what is left? 4a upon b. So your answer is left is 4a upon b. Fine. So this way you have to do the operations on polynomial. We will see some more methods. The methods of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of polynomial is similar to the operation of algebraic expressions. Uh, first example is subtract pi a square minus 2a from, you just have to do the subtraction of here binomial from trinomial. From trinomial you have to subtract binomial, that means subtract pi a square minus 2a from 7a square plus 5a plus 6. That means first you have to write this trinomial. From means this one should be written first and this one should be written second. Okay. So your solution is 7a square plus 5a plus 6 minus 5a square minus 2a. All should be written in bracket. Both the polynomials should be written in bracket first. After that, you will open the bracket. Okay. So 7a square plus 5a plus 6 can be written as it is. First bracket will be written as it is, and second bracket, when it will open, it will change its signs. That means my plus 5a will become minus 5a, and minus minus will become plus 2a. Okay. So my minus will become plus 2a and my plus 5a will become minus 5a square. So here you have this expression 7a square plus 5a plus 6 minus 5a square plus 2a. So now you have to check the like terms over here. Which are the like terms over here? 7a square minus 5a square. You can see over here. So it should be written together. Plus 5a plus 2a. These are like terms. It should be written together. Okay. Along with the sign. Plus 6 is left alone. Okay. So here you can see these are the pairs over here. So it should be added or subtracted along with the sign as per the requirement. 7a square minus 5a square is there. So as I have told you, 7 minus 5 will be there and this a square. There is no need to do it like this. You can do it directly. 7a square minus 5a square. That means directly you can write down 2a square. So this will become 2a square. 5a plus 2a is equal to 7a and plus 6 will be there. So your answer is 2a square plus 7a plus 6 is the result of this subtraction. From 7a square plus 5a minus plus 6, तो इसमें से इसको हमने subtract किया, we have got this polynomial and this is a one kind of trinomial. Fine. We will see one more example of multiplication. Here is given. Your mixed are given on page number 41. First sum is subtraction, second one is multiplication, third one is also multiplication, fourth one is for addition. Okay, let's see the next one. Second one is so simple. Monomial with monomial multiplication is there. First we will do monomial with monomial so that you can use laws of indices properly. So here the first question is minus 2a should be multiplied by plus 5 square. Okay. So minus 2 multiplied by 5 will become minus 10. Fine. And a multiplied by a square will become, a means a raised to 1, a raised to 3. Fine. So it will become minus 10a cube. We'll see the next one. In the next one, first one is binomial and second one is trinomial. So here you have to multiply binomial with trinomial and we will multiply each term of second polynomial. It should be multiplied by each term of first polynomial. That means m square should be multiplied by each term of the second polynomial and minus 5 should be multiplied with each term of second polynomial. Fine. So we will start here. M square minus 5 should be written in bracket, multiply by this multiplication sign should be written. That means you have understood that you are doing that operation of multiplication. This multiplied by this and it should be written in bracket. Then write the solution. Once again write the same question. Then multiply m square with the second polynomial. Then multiply minus 5 with the second polynomial. The second polynomial is m cube plus 2m minus 2. Now, what is next? When you multiply m square into m cube plus 2m minus 2, you will get m square into m cube will become, here you will get m raised to 5 when you will multiply this to this. M square multiplied by 2m plus m square into 2m will become 2m cube. Fine. Minus m square into minus 2 is minus 2m square. Fine. Then minus 5 into m cube will become minus 5m cube. Minus 5 into 2 will become minus 10m. Correct? Then minus 5 into minus 2 will become minus minus plus 5 to the 10. So this is your next expression. Fine. उसके बाद में हमको क्या करना है? We just have to keep the like terms together and do the addition or multiplication of the like terms. Fine. Let's see next. So here we have got what I have done now. This is your expression. Now here, now next is m raised to 5. There is no like term over here with m raised to 5. M cube, no like term. Oh, here like term is there. Minus m raised to 5 m cube. So it should be kept together. Minus 2m square is alone. Minus 10m is alone. Plus 10 is alone. So that means you just have to do this. So m raised to 5 plus 2 minus 5. Do it right on rough side. It will become minus 3. So you will write minus 3 m cube. Minus 2m as it is. Minus 10m as it is. Here the like terms are taken together and you can see the result. Now let's proceed to the next sum. Example number 4 on page number 41. Some operation of addition is there. 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn should be added with 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. So first of all, write both the polynomials. Write both the polynomials in round bracket and put addition in between. First, पहले वाले polynomial को तुमको ऐसे round bracket में लिखना है, बीच में addition का sign डालना है. Then write the second bracket in the round bracket. Fine. So this is your expression. Now then open the bracket. After opening the bracket, it will be the same expression because only in subtraction the sign changes. Addition, no sign changes. Okay. Next is, after this you have to keep the like terms together. 3m square n is there. उसका like term कौन सा है? 2m square n is there. So it should be written together. Next one is 5mn square minus mn square. So it is written together. Fine. And the sign should be written along with that. Okay. The next one is minus 7mn is there. Plus mn is there. It is written together. Okay. Now what you'll have to do? You do it on rough side. 3 plus 2 is 5 and write the like term 5m square n. Then 5 minus 1. Here nothing is there, means 1 is there. 5 minus 1 is 4. That means plus 4. Write plus 4 mn square. Then minus 7 plus 1 is there. That means minus 6. So minus 6 into mn. Fine. So this is your final answer. And this is the result of your addition of these two trinomials. Now let's proceed to the next page. Page number 42. Example number 5. Before that, you see this degree of one polynomial is 3 and degree of other polynomial is 5. Then what is the degree of their product? As you all should know, when the degree of the one polynomial is added polynomial is also 3. But after multiplication, it will increase. How it will increase? You can see 3 है, एक 5 है, तो हमारा डिग्री क्या होगा? Obviously it will be 8. Fine. So let's see. Divide 2 plus 2x square divided by x plus 2 and write the answer in the given form. Dividend, divisor, quotient plus dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So let us write polynomial in standard form. Polynomial of x is equal to 2 plus 2x square. A standard form will become 2 plus 2x square means it should be written in decreasing order and the missing terms should be added in between. Okay, 2x square plus 0x plus 2. So this is your standard form. So this is quite simple. Division method is there, as you all can see here. Simple division, when you will divide 24 by 3, you will write 24. This is your dividend. This is your dividend and this one is your divisor. Fine. And when you will get the answer, that will be your quotient, and the last term which is pending is your remainder. Fine. So this is your division method. Same division method you have to use, and this is the method 1, and method 2 is reduced. Why? Because that is the linear method of division. We are just doing a simple division method. We'll do some more sums from practice at 3.2. Fine. So this is your dividend, 2x square plus 0x plus 2, and this is your divisor, x plus 2. So we are dividing this with this. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग फर्स्ट टर्म को इसके फर्स्ट टर्म से डिवाइड करेंगे. तो डिवाइड करने के बाद हमको क्या मिलेगा? x को x से डिवाइड करेंगे तो you will get 2x. That 2x will be your quotient. Should be written at the place of quotient. When you are dividing 2x square with x, फर्स्ट टर्म को फर्स्ट टर्म से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? 2x मिलेगा. That 2x should be written over here. Fine. And जब हम लोग when we are dividing as in you can take example 34 is divided by 2. When you are taking 2 ones are 2. Fine. So you are multiplying this with this and writing over here, no? So we have to do it the same thing here over here. x plus 2 को 2x से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 2 को 1 से कैसे मल्टीप्लाई किया हमने, वैसे x plus 2x को x plus 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. What you will get? 2x into x is 2x square and 2x into 2 is 4x. Fine. So this multiplication is used over here, as you can see over here. So this 2x square plus 4x should be written under 2x square plus 0x. Exactly under 2x square plus 0x, so that you can do the subtraction. So here you are doing subtraction. जैसे हम लोग फिर से मैं तुमको बताती हूँ, जैसे हम लोग 24 को 3 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो 3 8s are 24. So we are doing subtraction now over here. So same way we are doing subtraction over here. When you are doing subtraction of polynomials, the sign gets changed. Signs are getting changed. 2x square will get reduced. 0x minus 4x will become minus 4x over here. So you get minus 4x over here. Then write plus 2 next to minus 4x. अभी यहाँ पे हमने minus 4x plus 2 लिख दिया है. अब यहाँ minus 4x plus 2 को फिर से हमको x plus 2 से डिवाइड करना है. So minus 4x plus 2 divide by x plus 2. Once again I will do फर्स्ट टर्म को फर्स्ट टर्म से डिवाइड करेंगे तो x will get cancel. क्या बचता है? minus 4. And this minus 4 we will write over here at the place of quotient. So you can see पहले हमने 2x लिखा था, उसके बाद में minus 4 लिख दिया. So ये minus 4 should be multiplied by your divisor. So minus 4 multiplied by x will be minus 4x. Minus 4 multiplied by 2 is minus 8. Minus 4x minus 8 को हमको यहाँ पे लिखना है under minus 4x plus 2. When you will write this, you will do the subtraction over here. Subtraction करते टाइम माइनस हो जाएगा यहाँ पे प्लस, ये -8 हो जाएगा +8. अभी ये -4x plus 4x will get reduced and +2 plus 8 will become +10. So you can see this is your remainder and this one is your quotient. So you have to write in this form dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. That means what is your dividend? 2 plus 2x square. Divisor is x plus 2 multiplied by quotient is 2x minus 4 and remainder is plus 10. So this way you can write down. No need to write this part. You can just write this much. So you will get marks over here. If you write this much, you will get the mark, full mark. Okay. So let's proceed to practice at 3.2. Use the given letters to write the answers. There are 8 trees in the village lot. If the number of trees increases every year by B, then how many trees will there be after X years? As you all know, we will take one example. If there are 2 trees in the village lot, if the number of trees increases every year by 3, so how many trees will be there after 5 years? So how you will write 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 you will write 5 times because 5 years are there. So it will become 3 multiplied by 5 also you can write in also 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. In the same way you just have to write this. There are 8 trees. 8 trees means instead of 2 you have to write A over here. And you are writing, first of all, I have told you 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. This 5 is what? 5 years are there. And this 3 is what? 3 is every year. Every year by B, this increment is there. The same way, you can write in place of 2, you can write A. In place of 3, you can write B. In place of 5, you can write X. You can either write multiplication sign or else you can write directly also. So the answer will be A plus Bx. So 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5 you can write, and this way you can write down A plus B into X times. That means A plus Bx. Therefore the answer will be, the solution should be written in this way. Number of trees in the beginning is A. Number of trees every year increases is B. New trees after X years will become Bx. After every X years, B. Total trees after X years will become A plus Bx. Fine. Let's get to the next question. For the parade, there are Y students in each row and X such rows are formed. Then how many students are there for the parade in all? So as you all can see, number of rows are multiplied by number of columns. Then only you will get the number of students. So when 4 rows and 3 columns are there, you can multiply 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So the answer should be written in this way. Number of students in each row is Y. Total rows is equal to X. Total students is equal to total rows multiplied by number of students in each row. Number of students in each row, you can say number of columns also. So therefore it is equal to X multiplied by Y. Quite simple, is equal to XY. Therefore there are XY students in all for the parade. Next question. The tens and units place of a 2-digit number is M and N. Tens is M and units is N. Write the polynomial which represents the two-digit number. You just have to write the polynomial. Which polynomial which is showing and representing the two-digit number. This kind of representation will come in your 10th standard, and this question you have to keep it in your mind. It's quite important. You can see a 73 number is there. At the place of unit, 3 is there and 10, 7 is there. So how do we write 7 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 1? This way you are writing now. So if you will represent at the place of tens, m you are using. At the place of unit, you are using n. So number should be m multiplied by 10 and n multiplied by 1. As you all can see here. 10 multiplied by m and 1 multiplied by n, and addition sign will come in between. So your polynomial will become 10m plus n. So how you will write or represent your answer? Digit in tens place is equal to m, digits in unit place is equal to n, two-digit number is equal to 10 multiplied by digits in 10 place plus 1 multiplied by digit in unit place. Therefore, it is equal to 10 multiplied by m plus 1 multiplied by n is equal to 10m plus n. Therefore, the answer is the polynomial representing the two-digit number is 10m plus n. Our next question is add the given polynomial. So now step by step we will do the second question is add the given polynomial. Third one is subtract. Fourth one is multiplication. Fifth one is division. And the sixth question is reduce from your portion. Okay, we will do it stepwise. Add the given polynomial. You can see we have done already x cube minus 2x square minus 9 should be added with 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. First of all, you have to write this in round bracket. Then keep the open the round bracket. Then keep the like terms together. X cube plus 5x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 9 plus 9. Keep the like terms together. Then you will get x cube plus 5x cube is equal to 6x cube minus 2x square, right, as it is, plus 2x as it is, plus 9 and minus 9 will get reduced. So your answer is this one. Next question, minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2 m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. Now, write addition sign in between, then open the bracket as it is, then keep the like terms together, this plus this, minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m raised to 4 plus 5m cube minus 3m cube, then 2m raised to 4, 2m square is alone, plus 3m is alone, plus root 2 is there, minus 6 is there. Okay, keep it as it is. Fine. This four parts will be as it is, and this 2 you have to do the addition and subtraction. Let's see what next. Minus 7 plus 5 will become minus 2m raised to 4. Fine. 5 minus 3 will become 2m raised to 3 plus 2m square plus 3m plus root 2 minus 6 should be written as it is. Okay. There is no addition or subtraction in here over here. You can write it as it is and no need to worry about it. Next question, third one, 2y square plus 7y plus 6y, 3y plus 9. Here 3 polynomials are there. 3y square minus 4y minus 3. First of all, keep all the 3 in the round bracket and write positive sign in between. That means addition, you are doing operation of addition over here. Open the brackets, all the 3 brackets. Then keep the like terms together, 2y raised to 2 plus 3y square, then 7y plus 3y minus 4y, and keep constants together. 5 plus 9 minus 3. Fine. 5 plus 9 minus 3, this and this. Now do the addition. 5 plus 3 is equal 2 plus 3 is equal to 5y square. 7 plus 3 minus 4 is equal to 6y. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6y. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. Now let's proceed to the next question. Subtract the second polynomial. X square minus 9x plus root 3 minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. So we are doing subtraction over here. Second polynomial from the first. That means you have to keep the first polynomial at the first place, the second polynomial at the second place. पहले हमको तुमको इसको राउंड ब्रैकेट में लिखना है. After that you have to open this bracket. After opening the bracket, you will keep first polynomial as it is. Then minus 19 will become plus 19, plus root 3 will become minus root 3, plus 7 will become minus 7x square. Fine. Then you can see x square minus 7x square is there. These are like terms. Minus 9x plus 19x are like terms. Plus root 3 and minus root 3 will get cancelled or reduced. So here you can see this is the next expression. So what you will get over here, you will get x square, that means 1x square minus 7x square is minus 6x square, minus 9 plus 19 is plus 10x, and this one has get reduced. Fine. Next question. 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab, and second expression is 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. So first of all, write down both the polynomials in bracket, round bracket. Actually round brackets are called as parentheses. You all should know. It is written like this. Parentheses. Round brackets are called as parentheses. Fine. So what next we get? After opening the bracket, your first polynomial will be as it is, and second will be my plus 3ab minus 3b हो जाएगा, minus 8 will become plus 8, plus 2ab plus 2 will become minus 2ab square. Now we'll keep like terms together. So you will get this together, these two together, and these two together. Fine. What we get next? 2 plus 8ab square. 3 minus 2 is 1a square b. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7ab. Next. So this is your final answer. So how many questions were there for subtraction? 2 questions. Only 2 questions were there. Now, what is the next question? Question number 4. Question number 4 is multiplication of the given polynomial. Multiply the given polynomial. So our first question is multiplying. This is quite important. Why? Because we are multiplying a monomial with a trinomial. The degree is important, and how we are doing multiplication is quite important because it's quite lengthy. The multiplication and division procedure is quite lengthy. Okay. So first keep this both in bracket. Put the bracket 2x into x square minus 2x minus 1. Then multiply each term. Multiply each term of second polynomial with the first polynomial. First polynomial is your monomial. So it will be easily multiplied with the second polynomial. 2x multiplied by x square, 2x multiplied by minus 2x, 2x multiplied by minus 1. Fine. So you get this expression. Next is 2x multiplied by x square will become 2x cube. Minus 2x into 2x is minus 4x square. 2x into 1 is 2x. So this is your final answer. Next question is x is to 5 minus 1 multiplied by x cube plus 2x square plus 2. So start multiplying each term of second polynomial with each term of first polynomial. First we will do x is to 5 multiplied by x, the second polynomial. Okay, x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Then write minus 1 along with this second polynomial this way. Okay, then once again do the all multiplication along with the all second polynomial. मतलब ये x raised to 5 है, सब हर polynomial के एक एक पार्ट से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, इसीलिए हम लोगों ने सेकेंड टाइम भी राउंड ब्रैकेट ओपन नहीं किया था. ओके, so after multiplying this, what you will get x raised to 5 multiplied by x raised to 3, x raised to 5 multiplied by 2x raised to 2, 2x raised to 5. Okay, then 1 minus 1 x raised to 3 minus 1 x raised to 2, 2 raised to 2 minus 1 into 2. Fine. So what next? What is next? After multiplication, what you will get? X raised to 5 multiplied by x raised to 3 will become, after using laws of indices, you are getting x raised to 8 over here. X raised to 5 multiplied by 2x square is 2x raised to 7 plus 2x raised to 5 minus x raised to 3 minus 2x square minus 2. This is your final expression over here of the question number 4th second. What is your next question? 2y plus 1 multiplied by y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. So you see the final answer, 2y plus 1 multiplied by y square minus 3y, 2y cube plus 3y. So each term should be multiplied by the second polynomial, plus 1 into multiplied by second polynomial. Each term should be multiplied by each term. 1 multiplied by should be each term. Okay, and along with the sign also. Don't leave the sign. So it will change its sign also. So you get this, 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 and plus 1 multiplied by the same as you will get the same polynomial over here. After completion of this, you have to keep the like terms over here. So here, which are the like terms? 2y cube minus 2y cube. This will get reduced. Then minus 4y raised to 4 is there. You will write over here. Plus 6y square plus 1y square will become plus 7y square. And what is left? Plus 3y is left. Fine. If you will cancel, no problem. Cancel करके रखोगे, it will be easy for you to understand all those things. Or else you can do it with pencil also. So this is done, this one is done, this is written over here, these two are added and written over here, and this one is written over here, and nothing is left. So your final answer is 4 minus 4y raised to 4 plus 7y square plus 3y. So we are done with so many solved examples and practice at 3.2, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now we will proceed to division part. Divide first polynomial by second polynomial. We'll do it stepwise. Question number 5, we have already done from page number 42. Example number 5, and method 1 is there, as I have already told you. Method 1 is there. Method 2 is reduce from your portion. That is linear method of division is reduce from your portion. Just have to do the common method of division method. Okay, this method. So as you all can see, I have shown you. This is your dividend. This is your divisor. This is your quotient. Answer is your quotient, and the leftover is your remainder. Okay. So what you'll have to do over here, x cube minus x 64 should be divided by x minus 4. So what is our question? Question is our, you have to divide first polynomial by second polynomial. Your first polynomial is divided by second polynomial. That means your first polynomial is dividend and second polynomial is divisor. So you have got dividend and divisor. Now you will have to find out the dividend and quotient and remainder. Before that, your 8th standard one question is we will solve. Divide and write quotient and remainder. It's quite simple question. Before that we will solve. After that only we will proceed to the division part. Question number 5, 1 and 2. Okay. Y square plus 10y plus 24. This is in standard form and should be divided by y plus 4. So you can see over here. This is your dividend. This is your divisor. As I have told you, y square should be divided by y. We will get y over here. So y should be multiplied by which number to get y square? It should be y. So plus 4 also should be multiplied by y to get 4y. Okay. So you will get y square plus 4y should be written over here. And this is your quotient. Y plus 4 multiplied by y is y square plus 4y. Fine. So y square plus 10y minus y square plus 4y. You will get y square minus y square. Get reduced. Plus 10y minus 4y will become 6y. Plus 24 you can write left to the 6y. Okay. Now what 6y? 6y तुमको चाहिए to get you need 6y. So y को किसके multiply करेंगे तो हमको 6y मिलेगा. So you have to multiply with 6. This 6 should be written over here at the place of quotient. So along with that, what is there? 4. 4 को भी 6 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. You will get 24. So this 6y plus 24 should be written under 6y plus 24, and you will do the operation of subtraction. Signs get changed. 6y will get cancelled. 24 minus 24 also will get cancelled. We'll get 0 over here. So this 0 is your remainder and y plus 6 is your quotient. So this was your this earlier in 8th standard where this was your revision, and I was doing it again. Now the question of practice at 3.2 question number 5 was pending. We will do it that. Now let's start. X cube minus 64 divided by x minus 4. Now my explanation is x cube minus 64 should be so to multiply, to get x cube, x should be multiplied by x square to get x cube. So minus 4 also should be multiplied by x square. Fine. So you will get x cube minus 4x square. When you will write x cube minus 4x square under x cube minus 4x square, you cannot write over here. So you have to write this in standard form. So first of all, write the dividend in standard form. X cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. Then only you will be able to write down the x cube minus 4x square under this part. Fine. Let's start. So now this is done. Now x square multiplied by x minus 4 is x cube minus 4x square. X cube minus 4x square is written over here. When you will do the subtraction, you will get x cube minus x cube will get reduced. 0x square plus 4x square is equal to 4x square plus 0x you will write next to 4x square. Now x should be multiplied by what to get 4x square? X should be multiplied by 4x to get 4x square. So also we will multiply minus 4 with the 4x. You will get minus 4 into 4x minus 16x. So this thing This 4x square minus 16x should be written under 4x square plus 0x. After doing subtraction, you will get 4x square minus 4x square will get cancelled or reduced. 0x plus 16x is equal to 16x, and this minus 64 you have to write over here next to 16x. Now what is left over here? 16x minus 64 is written over here. Now what you'll have to do to get 16x, x multiplied by x should be multiplied by 16 to get 16x. So minus 4 also should be multiplied by 16 to get to be multiplied by. Okay. So you get minus 64. 16x minus 64 should be written over here. So here you have got 16x square plus 4x plus 16. Hello?
Yes, teacher. Hello.
hang हो गया पूरा. Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Shall I finish my lecture?
Yes, teacher.